Hello everyone, welcome to MSquare Automation Solutions. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to watch for new comments in a YouTube channel or video and post it to your Microsoft Teams channel. It can be Microsoft, Google Sheet, Notion, or any sort of application you can easily post it into. Now let us see how to do that. You can click our YouTube custom app. Under the triggers section, you can see watch for new comments. Just click on that. So you can see this module watch for new comments. I have already connected that. If you click that, you can see multiple options like include replies to comments, select the resource type, whether channel ID or video ID, channel ID, and the limit, how many comments or the latest comments you wish to process in a single execution. Suppose we need to watch new comments that comes into the make channel, which is formerly Integromat. So here we need to get the video ID or the channel ID. If we are using video ID, all the comments coming to a specific video will be recorded or notified. But if we want to watch all the comments coming to a channel, so say here the channel is make, so we need to put the make channels ID. So here you can see we don't have the channel ID visible. Instead it's just a name Integromat in the URL. I'm just copying that and going to our make.com. So we have a module search on YouTube. So I'm just using that module. On clicking that, you can see different options. We need to search for channel and the search test is Integromat. So I just pasted it, putting the limit as 1 or 2. So and I'm pressing OK and let me run it. You can see the output by clicking here. Here you can see the Integromat channel snippet. Under snippet you can see make formerly Integromat channel ID is this one. So we have received the channel ID here. Just copying that and deleting this module. So now I'll just move this clock and delete this one and input this channel ID. So I just input the channel ID, then press OK. So now if I turn on the scheduler, if I schedule it for 1 minute or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, every 1 minute or 15 minutes, it will check for new comments and post it to our Microsoft Teams. Just we need to set up the timer or the scheduling settings and turn on the scenario. Now, if for testing purpose, we can even run the latest comments. To do so, right click on the module, choose where to start, select manually. So it will load the latest comments here. So I'm just clicking here the last three. I'm just selecting the third last comment, pressing OK and just checking the limit. It is already 20 and running this. The data is been pushed to the Microsoft Teams, and when we come here you can see under the general channel here we have got the comments and the link of the video. So you can see here the comments has come and its link. And if we see in the Microsoft Team settings, so we can input the channel team ID, channel ID, and however we want we can format the message. Now let me demonstrate it live. So I'm just changing the scheduler. Instead of checking every 15 minutes, I'm setting it to 1 minute, so it will check every 1 minute. And I just turned it on and going to the make.com. I'll select any video that they have. So here there is a Telegram bot video. I just opened it and I'm just commenting here awesome video. Yes, it is awesome. It's all about Telegram bot. Just commented here. And now let's go to the Microsoft Teams. We have to wait for a minute to get it triggered. So our comment awesome video has come, including the YouTube video URL. Apart from this, you can also include other information in the Teams message like author display name, or if you want to download other profile image URL. All these things are possible. Just we have to map the required output from the YouTube channel into the Microsoft Teams. Hope you have enjoyed this automation and will be useful.